The story of my life, the story of a YouTube teacher like me. We shot so much of content to broadcast here on YouTube, and sometimes we completely forgotten about this. I want you to enjoy this. Before we start, we have a new e-learning. It's called e-learning Colors in Photography. What you're about to learn is just one part of this interesting e-learning. Now, this is under production. We're filming now, we're editing now, it will be launched soon. If you sign up now, it's pre-launch promo time. You save tremendously. Look at the price if you sign up now pre-launch, and look at the price after launch. So hurry, take advantage of this and learn how to use colors in photography effectively. Back to today's once lost lesson. To model for our episode, the lovely Rachel. Put a flash in front of your subject. Use any modifier that you like. But the trick now is to get a color gel which is not exactly your normal color gel. This is a pretty uniquely coded color gel. If you visit Dyson Gel Sellers website, you notice that they come with all these unique colors. And if you look at your camera would have an amber, blue, green and magenta. This is called ABGM Shift. It allows you to change the color filter of your photos, looking like this. That's it. This gel is meant to be used with 8330 Kelvin at the amber A2 and magenta 6. This is confusing, isn't it? I tell you what, I'm going to just put this here onto the main light. Remember, let your gel breathe. Bounce the flash on that umbrella. Again, make sure that your main light don't spill light onto your background. Now, put one more flash to the background. Otherwise, it's just going to turn out gray. So I've got one light here, obscured by our lovely Rachel. Set the power to 1/1 or half. And let us show you what happens when you gel your main light. And once you have set up the light, come to the front and go to your favorite camera. Head on to the section where you usually change your white balance. Go on in there, and instead of using automatic white balance, choose Kelvin and choose a value that corresponds to the gel, which is 8330. Now head on to this section called ABGM Shift or color filter. The Sony calls it the color filter. The Nikon and Canon calls it the ABGM Shift. A being amber, blue, green and magenta. What essentially you're doing is to apply a color wash to all your photos. So remember, the gel's value was A2M6. This will shift this point to A2M6. Let me take a shot and show you what happens when you fire the shot without a flash having the corresponding gel. It looks kind of weird, but the moment you add on a 8330K A2M6 gel to the flash, you're gonna get interesting colors on the background without requiring gobo or gelling the backlight. You guys got to stop losing footage, okay? It's not just losing footage, it's like footage that's being edited. And then, Rachel was asking me about this all the time, and I was like, who's Rachel? That's how we lose models too. Anyhow, if you like what you learn, head on to our website, sign up our e-learning courses, check out our all-access premium courses. And if you are really serious about photography, really serious about getting a new skill that will put food on the table, earn you a new income, check out the online ProCert program. You're going to love this. Get yourself certified in as short as 3 to 6 months. I have students that completed this in just 3.5 months. Really good program. Apart from that, check out our YouTube exclusive member as well. I hope I get your support. Check out the level 1. It's really a good price. I'll see you soon. I'm happy to announce that on the 28th of January, which is a Thursday, 10 a.m. plus 8 GMT, check out the time of your various location right here. we're gonna be doing a free live stream session where you can submit photos to me, submit your questions, I'll do them live and I'll answer them live, and showing you also how you can use light and shadow to craft amazing shots. So I look forward to have you joining us in these free live stream sessions on YouTube here. Yes, it's live, it's available for public. So this live stream is just 1 hour and I hope you're gonna be enjoying yourself, and I look forward to see all of you joining me. Well, I did remember that Rachel and I promised you that we will go further with making the stunning background more amazing. Simple. It's tomorrow for episode The Lovely Rachel. Oi, aircon. Yeah, slowly, never mind, take your time. She doesn't need to go back at 6, huh? Continue roll.
And on your mark.
On.
Okay. Action, huh?